More and more businesses setting up shop and calling downtown home. It has attracted more foot traffic in the area, prompting the question, maybe, is there enough space for people to live downtown? Will Kelty has started building apartments downtown, and now others are following suit. Curtis Jackson spoke with two companies working hard to open up two more complexes downtown. Curtis, tell us about these future apartments.
Well, construction is underway on the residence at Lamar as well as the 9th Street lofts. Both are making history by bringing these historical buildings back to life. You may have noticed a lot of working going on in the old historical Mascat Shrine Temple at 5th and Lamar, something that Vice President of Development of Overland Property Group Mike Gillum says the progress that downtown has been making made them want to jump on board.
What kind of struck us was kind of the perfect opportunity at the perfect time, and perfect time not just being for us, but also being for the downtown and the revitalization that we felt was coming, and now it's clearly coming.
And with the building now being registered with the National Historical Society, Gillum says he's excited to bring it back to life.
It's quite an intense process, and so you really get a great product from the end, because you've got design teams and historical teams and development teams all working together to not just preserve the history, but make sure that it's represented in the right way.
The building will feature 35 1- and 2-bedroom units, providing spaces for residents who are 55 years and older to be closer to downtown. But preserving the history behind the building has posed some challenges for developers, especially with the government shutdown.
The federal government and the National Park Service, who reviews all of these historic details, so we actually cannot get that portion approved on really any of the windows in the building, even though they're in the final approval stage, until the government shutdown ends.
And just a few blocks down the road, crews are hard at work revitalizing the old Brown building on 9th Street. Owner of the 9th Street lofts, Anthony Patterson, says it was success from bigger cities bringing more residential spaces into their downtown, as well as the progression of our downtown that made him want to develop these lofts.
Bringing residents down to downtown, that really started the momentum in Oklahoma City's downtown. So I kept that in my back pocket and always thought about it, and with the momentum that's happening in the last couple of years, I thought right now would be a good time.
The 9th Street lofts are projected to be complete around May or June, providing one more place for residents to call downtown home for good. Now, just to give you an idea on how high demand is for these apartments, in a building that was built in the late 1920s, Matt Gillum with Overland Development Group says out of those 35 units, he already has over 30 folks on the waiting list.
I believe that, and he's talking about momentum. There is so much momentum downtown.
There's a lot going on.
Right, and these buildings are so solid. You know, they just need the inside a lot of work, obviously, but they always turn out so nice. I've been inside the Holt and also Austin Elementary. I mean, they are so nice. So, Curtis, I'm excited about that. Okay, thank you very much for that report.